Got the new GoPro Hero 7. Okay, let's take this thing out of the box. Wow. Sweet. Looks pretty similar to the one I had before this, because before I had the GoPro Hero 5, which is similar in looks. I went to Jessups and did a trade-in. Did a trade-in with my Hero 5 and just traded it for the 7, which is pretty cool. Let's see what's in the box. If I know how to undo it. Okay. Oh, sweet. Got some sweet GoPro stickers. That's really cool. I'll probably put one of those on my computer. More instructions, obviously. Sweet. There's my battery. I'll need that, definitely. Got the charging cable so I can charge it up. Ooh. And some extra mounts. Gonna put the battery in and use this and charge it up. So obviously take it off the mount itself. There we go. That's the camera itself. The GoPro Hero 7. It's gonna be sweet. The only thing I don't like about this housing around it is the clip down bit here on the top. It's like always super stiff and you can't, it's really hard to pull it back to get it off. And then like you're really forcing it and it just hurts my hands. So I'm gonna look online, maybe on eBay or somewhere, see if I can get a different case for it. Yeah, so this is the camera. Next I'm going to take it out and just do some test footage and take some photos with it as well, see what it's like. But other than that, should be good. It's definitely an upgrade from my Hero 5, what I used to have anyway. So yeah, that's been this clip. Look forward to the next part of the video. Okay, this is going to be a test shot. I'm recording in 2.7K. I'm just going to do a quick run around, and this is the image without image stabilization on. Okay, this test shot is with image stabilization turned on. Let's see what the difference is like. Okay, that was a quick video test. Now I'm going to do a quick photo test. Just take a few random photos and see what they come out like. Hopefully it should be good. Yo, okay, so I'm back from my trip to the castle and testing out the new GoPro Hero 7. And my thoughts on it are actually really good. I actually enjoyed using it. It was easy to use. So yeah, the video clips that were recorded on it were really good, and hopefully the audio works really well as well. Yeah, and also I've just tested out a few photos just to test out the photos. Yeah, I'm looking forward to trying it out more and seeing what kind of shots I can get with it. The settings I've been using for video are in 2.7K and 30 frames a second, I think. So that works out quite well. The only thing I did find was when you put it in 4K mode, it crops in a bit and you lose the image stabilization, which was a bit rubbish, but apart from that, it's really good. I enjoyed using it, and it's similar to my GoPro Hero 5 what I had as well, so that was a good point. But yeah, let me know down in the comments if you've got the GoPro Hero 7, how you use it and what you think to it. And yeah, give me a thumbs up on this video if you enjoyed it, maybe subscribe as well, and I'll hopefully see you in the next video. Until then, take care.